This is a game changer for 2020. Unlimited length of voiceovers and more with VoiceBuddy. I just want to offer you the opportunity to have unlimited length for all your text-to-speech needs inside of VoiceBuddy. Unlimited length of text-to-speech in every language. In VoiceBuddy you get unlimited words per audio. Doesn't matter if it's 7 minutes or 50 minutes. You'll be able to create as many unlimited audio files as you want. Also, you will have the ability to paste unlimited text into the text-to-speech editor. This is great for those who want a little more power with their text-to-speech options. Text file importing option added. As if the 140 voices and 33 languages that you got in standard VoiceBuddy weren't enough. We have now an additional 108 voices to choose from, between Google WaveNet and Amazon Polly. Yup! That brings your total voice choices to 249 ear-grabbing, unique-sounding, human-like voices to captivate all types of audiences. And much, much more. This may not be for you. But if you wish to find out more information, please click the link below this video. Have a great day.